What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal here, and today we are going to be talking about some hair. So if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Crystal. I post all kinds of videos, so if you're into that chaotic shenanigans, then hit that subscribe button below because we love new subscribers. I post videos every other Sunday, so we just try to have a lot of fun over here. Anyways, if you guys are returning, hello, hi, I'm doing another hair video. It's kind of been like over a year. First, let me apologize. I seem to film all the time when the boys are here, so they're kind of being loud downstairs. So if you hear that in the background, I do apologize about that, but hopefully it's not too loud. So I'm gonna get a little bit into my lock journey. So I have been locked a little bit over 4 years now. It was 4 years, November 21st of last year, 2019. I started my locks with 2-strand twists, and my sister, or soon-to-be sister-in-law, because I'm getting married in a couple months, very exciting, started them for me, and they have just grown into these beautiful locks that I have today. And it's kind of sad to say, but prior to starting my locks, like, I did not really love my hair. Like, I just looked at it more like, it's hair, it's there. But now this like bond that I have with my hair, and it's so weird saying that out loud. Like, I love my hair and I try to take care of my hair like so much. Like, I try to put like healthy products and just like really, I don't just try to take care of my hair. And it has been doing great. Like I said, I've had my locks for 4 years. Like, they've grown tremendously. I am so in love with them. But a couple months ago, I think I used like a new shampoo, and that shampoo made my hair like really filmy. And I can't remember what I used, but I just remember how my hair felt after, and it just like made me really uncomfortable. And I remember telling Steven, like, my hair feels so weird, like it feels like there's like a film on it, like I don't know. So I just continued to rinse it, and I went on retwisting my hair. So it was like from that point to where we are now, and that was, I want to say, less than maybe I want to say about 6 months ago. I have just like not had a lot of problems, but I have had some difficulty with, like, I have no idea if it's like lint or buildup or what. I want to say that it's not buildup, because when I retwist my hair, I use either aloe vera, the plant. I will cut it in half, scrape it out, throw some coconut oil, some castor oil in there, mix it up, and use that to retwist my hair. Or I use alcohol-free aloe vera gel, and I've been using that literally from like the beginning of my journey till now. Like, when I say I've not switched up, like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I haven't changed anything in my hair routine. The only thing that I change sometimes is the oils that I use. So yeah. Oh, every now and again I would use Eco Styler gel, but I kind of like that gel, and I don't use a lot of it, just a little bit. And I hadn't had any problems. So I feel like the problem started when I washed my hair with like a new shampoo, and that weird filmy thing was happening. So as you can, I've been like kind of insecure, and I have like this little headband on, and I've been wearing it because, let me take it off. I don't know if you guys can see, so I clearly need to retwist my hair, but like, you guys can kind of see like here on the sides, like it's like lint or like buildup, and in the back of my head, like, and even here too on the sides, like right there and right there. I'm not sure if like the camera's picking up. Sorry, my hair is like super freaking messy. But yeah, like in the sides in here, hopefully you guys can kind of see that. It's like that, and it's like that all, like, not every lock in the back, but like a lot in the back. Like, I was talking to Steven, and he was just like, yeah, you have like so much lint in the back of your hair, it's crazy. And I was like, I know, and it's making me feel so insecure, and I just like want to cover my hair all the time. And like, that's been something that's been a little bit hard for me, because like I said, I've grown like this crazy attachment to my hair. So, you know, it's not like bad, but just seeing it is like making me uncomfortable, and like, it's just making me want to hide my hair, and like, that's not okay. So I'm gonna try this new thing today, and I'm pretty freaking nervous because I don't try new things on my hair, but I'm going to try to do the Bentonite clay mask on my hair. So if you guys are interested in watching, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom, and I am going to be showing you guys the products that I use in this and how you mix it and all that good stuff. Okay, so excuse my messy counter. I am that annoying person that keeps everything on their counter in the bathroom. I know, this is why I said I need to like learn some good organizational skills. So if y'all know some, help your girl out. Anyways, so what I'm gonna be using is this Aztec Indian healing clay, which is just bentonite clay, some apple cider vinegar. Don't at me because it's not Bragg's. I was being cheap today. And I have some black castor oil as well as rose water and glycerin. So I am just going to mix this up in this bowl, and I have a plastic spoon because you can't use metal with this clay or else it will mess it up. Like it won't have like the detoxifying properties and all that. So yeah, I don't really know like measurements, so we're just gonna wing it and see how it goes. Sorry about this awkward position. I didn't really plan this out, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, so now that I have it all mixed up, I am going to, wet my hair to make sure, my hair is all tingling, to make sure we get it through all of this, and then I'll be back and we'll go through me putting it all up in this hair, which, whew, man, my hair is a hot mess, but I think it's so hard to like try to, let me flip, like, oh, there you go. See, you guys see all of that? Like, what the, it's just like all in this area, like in here. Yeah, you can kind of see it a little on the outside, but yeah, I'm just like not feeling it. So, oh gosh, the camera should not be that close to my face. Okay, so I decided I was gonna put the rest on my face. Do I look hot? Do I look like Frankenstein's wife from the neck up? I put on my neck because honestly, I feel like people be neglecting their neck, and so I be putting product all up under and on my neck too because I want to have a nice neck when I'm older. I don't want it to be all wrinkly. But yeah, I got it all up in my hair, and I'm just trying to keep it behind me because it's like, it's making a mess. Anyways, I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse and wash my hair, and then I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay, so now that I can barely move my freaking face, it's been about 35 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower and rinse and wash all this out, and then I will be back to let you guys know how I feel. I'm feeling good. I feel like I can barely talk, so I can barely move my mouth, but I feel like it's gonna be good, and I have high hopes, so let's just see. Look at that, it looks like I have a mole. All right. So I just finished washing my hair, and I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. The roots are like so squeaky clean, it's crazy. I washed my hair probably like 2 or 3 times just to make sure that I got the smell of apple cider vinegar out, because it is a very strong, pungent smell, and you don't want to walk around with your hair smelling like that. All in all, I am very happy with how it turned out. I wasn't able to get like all of the little lint out of like every nook and cranny, but that's kind of like impossible to do. So I'm happy with how it turned out. It feels like a little bit lighter and just like more free, so I feel like it did penetrate pretty deep, and I feel like it also penetrated really deep and got a lot of dirt out, because when I went to put my shampoo in, it lathered like immediately. And normally when I wash my hair the first time, it's like it doesn't lather like as good as like the second time, you know, when you wash it, you rinse it, and then you add more shampoo, and it's like, oh, we clean now. So I felt like my hair was very, very clean going into that wash, and I'm very happy. Another thing to note is that apple cider vinegar is very drying on the hair and on the scalp, so you want to make sure you replenish that moisture back into your hair. So I'm probably going to do a hot oil treatment and just seal some of that oil and some of this moisture back inside, because it is winter and it's already harsh on your hair as it is out there. So make sure you give your hair that love back. Yeah, I am genuinely happy all around with how it turned out. And there's a length check. I think the last time I filmed a hair video was about 2 years ago, and it was just like a little bit past my shoulder. So all of this has grown within the past 2 years, which is like insane to me. But that's what happens when you take care of your hair. So you guys remember to give your hair that love and that care. My voice is trying to leave me, and your hair will just flourish. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, you can drop those down below and I will make sure to answer those. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.